Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Anne. What's up? Today we're going to discuss this phrase. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one first step. This is from the Tao Te Ching. I have been reading that and I am very interested in the things that it teaches. But I realized that I have learned this quite a bit with my studies with Bob Proctor, who talks about taking the step that is in front of you. When we look at the big giant picture and we think, I'm going to do these big things, we can sometimes get very discouraged and just give up because it's just thinking about the entire, the hugeness of it can make us just be overwhelmed and not do it. So that's where that taking that first step, taking the next step, taking the next step, and then you create the journey. And so I do believe that when we do small things repeatedly, that's when we do big things. So rather than think about, I'm going to do this great thing, or even when it comes to addiction and stuff like that, when you think, I'm going to quit forever, most likely you'll be heading right back to whatever it is that you are trying to quit. But if you think, right now I'm going to choose not to, I'm just going to set that aside, and I'm going to take this first step to not doing it. And then you wait until the next moment and you say, and I'm not going to do it this moment either. And it can be excruciating, but it actually works better than thinking about the big giant thing of, I'm never going to do that again. Just think, I'm not going to do it right now. And if you succeed, then there's the victory. So I think taking small steps is the way to do big things. So think smaller in order to gain bigger. So I just think, just take that first step. Take 1 second at a time. And think about the little things that you can do that are right in front of you. Think about what's in front of you, the task at hand, and do that and do it to the best of your ability. And then wait for the next step to reveal itself to you. You can have your goals out there, but try not to focus on those big giant things because sometimes they can make you go, oh, I can't. But really, every big thing is a collection of small things that you did or that you are doing or that happened. So you want to think small things over and over again. Do the next thing. Do the next thing. Start, acting on your plan. Make a plan and then take it step by step. So think small to do big things. That's my motto for the day for you. And I hope that you have a really good day. Just don't be overwhelmed by some of your big goals or some of the things that you want to do, and just take it one little bite at a time. Just do it one little bit at a time. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.